backed into this minivan of mine. Anyways. Look at there they are. Here we go. Payday. Oh, good idea.
What?
That magnet.
Yes.
Too much Bondo on the cars you guys build for the magnet stuff to hold
Oh, no,
on.
that's a thicker
You had
one.
the wrong magnet.
Yep.
Is it?
Yes.
Is it a
What?
Bondo magnet?
An average magnet will reach through mud.
I know. I was wondering why it's probably just crap.
Not.
It's probably crap.
No, here.
Take this.
Well, let's see, because I think it.
Hi, Blair.
Hey,
How are you? Good to see you.
You survived.
Oh
You're a
God.
better man than
There's
I.
a few moments. There's a few moments
Absolutely.
The
where
girl said, I'm a business major. Why don't you have the. Geez, let me look and see what Matt brought. See? We stuck it up and people are doing their shit.
oh, every time they come by.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Like 50 a day on the weekends. What's going on here? Nothing.
Freaking mess. Nothing's happening.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Can't
Quit
even walk
filming.
through the
There's
shop.
nothing going on.
What do you mean? There's nothing going on. It's payday.
Yes.
It's payday. I heard.
Connor didn't
I
sign.
even got a truckload of parts for him.
Do you?
Yeah, for JF.
What is he built? What are you guys building?
He's doing like a 68 Camaro, a 50-50 build.
Oh, yes.
With
So
what?
he's had it for 50 years and he wants to do it in $5,000 for 50 days, something like that. It's pretty cool.
That's great.
Oh, right. Oh, is that what he's doing?
Yeah.
Well, he hasn't had it for 50 years. He's
Yeah,
getting,
so it's 50 days for $5,000
Yeah.
using old parts. So this
Oh.
is a bunch of brand new parts I've had laying around under Murray's deck in places.
Camaro stuff.
Yeah, so for $200 he gets 2 brand new fenders and tail lights and armrests and all the
Oh wow.
and he's got a heavy hit on one of the quarters he wants me to play with. So said I'd give him a couple days.
yeah.
Cool.
Right
That's
on.
great. Yes.
Yeah, we got to go to Carstairs.
When's that?
I got to go rent a truck. Connor just brought my trailer back. I'd like to do it before it snows.
No shit, Michael.
I know. So I'm thinking this weekend.
I can't go this weekend.
Well, I got to go. Well, you don't have to go. I got to go get the 59.
Yes, go get it.
Yes.
Jay will pick it up for you.
The guys want to have a barbecue. And
Oh,
a
yes,
right?
yes,
That-
yes.
That was the whole thing, right?
Oh.
Mike's coming back. What? What?
Is that back burner container?
Yes.
Put it on the back burner.
Oh yeah, full of car parts, exactly as I predicted.
Already?
Not the freaking shop. Oh, they can't even close
Let's
the freaking
see.
doors.
Let's see.
Oh,
You cannot close
Oh,
the
he's so
doors.
proud of his organization.
Right.
He learned nothing from his trip.
Nothing.
you haven't seen it,
Seen what? Oh, the car?
Matt. Remember?
Yes, the satellite?
The RT.
Yes, oh, yes.
Yes, Matt.
Wow.
Walk down it and admire it.
Or as I say, it's just another D body.
Yeah.
No, it's not. It's a special. It's got that big charger. Just another charger. It is. Yeah. But that video's got 300,000 views.
It does.
So it's
Because it was in the shop with cars that I built.
That's right.
the pink charger was the star, though.
I don't know.
I think so. Anyway, that was the focus of the video.
Oh my
No,
God.
no. With a
Mike.
couple minutes at the end.
Yeah, it was all good.
It's
Charger's
all
cool.
gonna be crushed in 100, 200 years, and
Yes.
no one will know who
Maybe
we are.
no. If we're good enough caretakers, somebody else will be driving this in 100 years.
No, I mean the end of the world is nigh.
Yes. And here, look. See, Matt, green?
Yes.
Green, here, go to the front. Go to the front.
Okay, what did you say? The firewall?
The dash never came out of the car. So we've rebuilt it. This is a rebuilt car. The dash, the firewall, the inner frame rail, one frame rail, inner fenders,
Ooh, look at the hood.
rear back. We saved the car.
Oh, that's sexy.
But look underneath, Matt. All this original green. That is the, right?
Are you kidding me?
What are you talking? What?
Oh no, the guy's awesome. I'm just
Yeah.
like the green.
Yeah, well,
The guy's beautiful.
see, because he was concerned because somebody was saying, you're just revinning that car. You guys aren't rebuilding it. So Mike took it personally. So that's why anything that was green, we didn't sandblast.
A guy with his skills shouldn't take it personally.
I know, but he did because he's, like he says, I mean, there's a lot of guys that just would have taken that dash out and stuck it in a 70 Coronet and called it done.
Guys like who?
Not anybody we know.
Wise man.
Yeah, wise man maybe.
Yeah, like look at the effort he went to.
Yeah.
He did a beautiful job putting this
Because
back
you-
in.
You put the green back in?
Well, no,
Oh,
Matt,
that's cool.
You can't buy 70 quarters. So these are 69s that he had to make fit.
And he did the same back here.
Yes.
This
Right,
guy
he had
went
to-
to a
And
tremendous
he used
amount
all
of
the
effort.
green that he could.
Yes. So the dash never came out of the car.
Oh, I get why you're excited.
Right? So it's,
But that's 2 bolts.
yeah, but I know, but it's just, it's the Mopar way. This car was rebuilt, it wasn't revinned. The easy way would be to go buy a 70 Coronet, take this out, cut the 2 numbers out, and then say you've rebuilt the car. But that's not rebuilding the car, that's rebodying the VIN.
It's also lying.
Yeah, it's all, exactly. This one is a true car.
Is that legal to do?
No, it's not,
Depending on
but
you do
people,
it, yes, it is, depending.
yeah, is it?
If you weld a rod to the roof, hang it down to the dash where the VIN is, you've not moved, altered, changed the VIN number.
Yes.
It just hangs there. And
Yeah.
you cut the car away, move it away, and slide a new one in. So, according to the letter of the law,
Yeah,
I believe.
but see, look, right, he had to make all this fit from a 69 because they don't sell 70s, that's why. Anyway, the guy did an amazing job.
It's you know what I noticed right now?
What?
It's amazing how much you love these pieces of metal.
You filled up another container. We
Yes.
got this container to clean out the shop.
You should see,
That's why
well,
it's
these
here.
are all parts for the pink Chargers that are showing up now.
What are these cool tires for?
These are original 1970 polyglass.
That's amazing.
Yes.
For what?
Because JJ's a freak.
Who's the freak?
Jeez. Anyway,
So they're
because
for this?
no, these are
Just to have for this Charger.
these are for the Charger. This is probably like a 1970 tire.
What's this worth?
Nothing, because it's I've never run
They're
it.
cool.
Yeah, I know, but it's if you.
Why they're no good down the road?
Probably not.
It's a set. Would you drive around in a 50-year-old tire in a 500 horsepower car?
feels
No. But if it only went off the trailer and on the trailer to car shows, you would probably put those on. With a set
You
of-
build a car that's the trailer queen, never gets
No,
used.
no.
Well, then.
But I mean, if that's what people do. He never drove his cars. That's why. No.
It's all right.
I know.
You have to be happy.
Yes. So all that matters is my personal happiness
have to make sense.
and Matt's misery. When Matt's miserable, I'm happy.
See, you can't even close the freaking door.
So that's okay. It gives
So
me
what do we
something.
do with all the crap in there you were going to clean out by next Monday?
Uh,
Yeah.
yes. Well,
I would
Rachel's
like-
got to come and get her cab.
Mike would like to have an extension, please.
Yeah.
No, the guy's bringing his car
Oh.
from Palo John from Didsbury, and we're doing quarters and outers.
Yes.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah, so we're going to have some good content. While he's doing that, I will be cleaning the shop.
Where'd you get the hoods? Where are these hoods from?
These are from the other yard. I had these.
What other yard? Oh, they're right down.
Yeah,
oh,
yeah.
These are cool hoods. Yeah, no wonder
Yes.
you wanted them back.
Yes.
So like $300-$500.
Yes, and these are all 1-ton hoods.
Nope, sorry. Nope.
Yeah. Guaranteed. Anyway.
Okay, Blair's got to go.
Yeah. Are you going now? Or are you leaving tomorrow? What are you
I'm gonna
doing?
be there in the morning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
we'll
well,
do
I
the
only have another
payday.
4-hour
okay,
drive.
let's go sit down and do
And I was
some.
gonna sleep in the shop under Teddy's suite, but I'm taking Lou, so I think I could get a hotel.
You taking Lou's trailer?
No, it's up north.
Okay.
I could take the truck up, haul all the parts up, and get into the Sirius tonight.
Yes. What's this again?
What?
That's the.
That.
Ask what this is again.
That's what I said. This.
What's a Malibu?
No.
Is that GTO?
Matt. Bad
It's
Matt.
a mistake.
Wait.
This. Matt, look at the grill. Like, look at the grill. What does it say, man?
It's a Beaumont. It's a Pontiac.
No, this is one of 200 or less than 200 ever made factory 360 horse, 396 4-speed Beaumont Sport Deluxes.
It's part of one. It's had glued on half door skins, freaking quarters.
Blair,
ginormous
Blair,
wheels
is
here.
that not a 70 Coronet RT?
And the guy
Blair,
unloaded this.
is that not a 70 Coronet
He
RT?
brought me a 5-gallon bucket of stuff that fell out of the car into his trailer
Yes,
on the way
but
here.
Matt, Blair, did we just not agree that is a car?
What gears are in it?
I have no clue. 12 bolt.
Didn't have any.
No, didn't, but it has a 12 bolt housing.
It has
Blair.
How often have you poo-pooed my things and then had to eat your words in 4 years?
just about never. Once.
Want to bet? Blair, is this a result of you beating your head against things as a result of dealing with Michael?
Well, it makes sense, but in this particular
Hey.
case, no.
Original console, original gauge package.
Original windshield, Mike.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that shifter knob.
Look at that.
Rotten.
Smells old.
Yep.
The floors are rotten.
Where'd you get this from? I forget. It was
Ontario.
Oh, this is the one from Ontario.
Bought it sight unseen.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Heard a
yeah.
good story.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. This is a complete piece of rock. Everything
Excellent.
This is considered good in Ontario.
Yeah, in
Good.
Ontario.
These are glued on, man. They're not welded.
I mean, it's pretty cool though.
Yeah, what did we do to Connor's car? We put new quarters on.
We welded them on.
Yeah.
These are freaking glued.
So-
Oh, I'm gonna.
welded.
So-
What am I gonna do with this? It's gonna have a new roof. It's gonna have new full quarters. It's gonna have a floor. It's gonna have a trunk. It's gonna have whatever the it needs. It's one of 200 ever made.
I think he's just revinning it by that point.
Nope. The bin will never leave. Yeah. The door down.
Yeah,
The door down. The bin will never leave the door
Yeah.
down.
Anyhow,
It's cool.
it's a sad case.
Yes, but it's cool.
Another sad tale.
Anyway. Do you want to make a bet? I make money on it.
Oh God.
$100. I make money on it by the time
You could make money if you don't touch it.
I will make money touching
Because
it.
if you were foolish enough, someone else would be foolish enough.
Yes, I know.
But if you start putting money into this and pay some guy who's brutally expensive to make a car out of it, you will lose.
Oh, I don't think so.
You need complete floors,
Yep.
complete quarters,
Yep.
complete doors.
And good thing they're all cheap because it's a Chevelle, it's not a Dodge.
Yeah, the price doesn't talk about the labor.
Yeah. I happen to know a guy.
Can I look?
It's a work place. Yes.
Yes.
Far freaking out, man.
Yes, sir.
Oh my word. Oh, may I?
Oh yeah, no, they're for you. Yes. You and Mike.
All right.
I'll put it away to the side and it'll be yours.
Okay, yeah, because that was a pretty solid cab.
Are you
wasn't it?
buying a car right now?
No, it's a truck. Shut up. Okay, that'd be cool to do something with that one.
What about the El Camino? Did that
Buy
sell?
that six-pack Super Bee off me.
No, it's too much money.
Well, how much do you offer?
I don't need a 6-pack.
What did it get bidded up to?
What did it get bid to?
It went up to 27.
What was wrong with that? Was it?
It's an Oregon car. It's got virtually no rust.
Was-
Most half original paint, and I have the six-pack set up.
Yeah, but it was a split bench and column shift car, wasn't it?
It was a column shift, but you
That-
can convert that.
I know, but that's just the bit. Like I just spent 50 on my RT body work.
Yeah.
That green one, remember that green shell?
Yeah.
It's rust free now. You know, 440, 4-speed. It wasn't a 6-pack, but sublime green,
Buckets.
white upholstery, buckets, console, air grabber, go wing. I mean, it should have got brought back, Lauren.
But it's pretty, Lauren, you should see it though. He literally kept every single patch that was okay and put it back into the good.
Right?
metal.
Everything that was green we could save is still green.
Oh, okay.
So you can't say the dash never came out of the car, Lauren.
Yeah.
Right? So we rebuilt it. We didn't revin it. Right?
That's
so
right.
that
Exactly.
you know how the Mopar guys are, right?
Oh, I know. They're a little crazy, yeah.
Yep. Okay, but yeah, that Diamond T will be coming for. We might even do it in the winter. Make it and just put it somewhere we can get to it when there's snow.
Yeah, I can do that.
So it'll be an epic adventure.
That's great. And then Super B, it was a burnt orange with a burnt orange interior, which is kind of cool.
I got one. 4-speed bucket seat car.
But not a six-pack.
No.
Six-pack.
Yeah. So what's the
deal? You know what? I bought a full-size Dodge at the sale here, and it had a 7440 in it. Because the Super B had a 383s put in it
Yep.
at one time. I got the six-pack. I should make you a deal on that car.
you should trade me for something. What do you need?
Do you need a 73 Cadillac convertible?
No.
No,
Hey,
no.
what do you well, hey Lauren, when you're down here,
426 Hemi. I need a 426 Hemi.
I got one, you can't have it.
Oh, okay.
69, but it was half filled, but the guy ran it on the street. It came with my you don't need a super stock race car, do ya?
No, I'm not into that.
572 engine?
Geez, I do have a brand new crate 572
R.
brand new,
Oh, yeah.
wrapped in plastic. Never
72.
572R, 720 horse.
Specially curated and built for Mike a few years ago.
No, that one, there's two of them in North America for sale right now. Mine and another one. GM doesn't even have any anymore.
Oh, yeah.
720 horse. They retail right now for about 32,000.
Oh, yeah.
Sitting in my shop wrapped in plastic. Well, or if you do, at least you could come down and look, see what I got. There might be something you got an interest in.
Yeah, why don't you give me 35 grand? I'll give you that whole 70 Chrysler with the 440. I'll give you the six-pack intake and carbs. I might even have the air cleaner, and I'll give you the car.
And the Diamond T.
And the diamond. Okay, well, let me think about it.
You think about that, because okay, but you got to give me a couple months. I got to sell some. I've got. Okay, but you ponder that,
Let you know.
okay? Because I got 570Bs, so it'd go right with my collection, Lauren.
Okay, well, we'll ponder it over and we'll let you know.
Okay, we're only $2,500 apart, so suck it up, princess,
El Camino.
because I can do that.
Ask about the El Camino.
Mike,
Okay,
good day.
okay, thanks, Lauren.
Lauren, wait. El Camino. What's
Oh, the El Camino, did that sell or not?
No, it went up to 15.5. I kind of wanted 19 out of it because it's a rust-free California car.
Yep.
And then what
And
about
I got a 396, 350 horse engine out of a 70 Chevelle El Camino.
Yep.
And the numbers matching Muncie 4-speed.
Yeah, that was a nice car, but I just, like I say, Lauren, I see the end coming for all the pretty quick.
I know.
Right?
I'm just trying to push a little extra. That's all.
I know. Hey guys, here we are at one of our favorite places in Salmon Arm, Ecotreats. I'm gonna have an amazing misto breve. Matt's having his oat milk latte, and look at this amazing breakfast they have cooked for us. We are so special and lucky. Ecotreats, Salmon Arm, check it out.
And believe it or not,
Believe it or
we
not,
have to thank Avery because he's the one that.
yes, Avery actually introduced us to this place.
This is basically the Avery special.
Yes, and thank God he's not here, so we get to eat.